Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Frana's room. I'm really happy and excited to be here once again because it has really been long that I've not been here, but I really thank God that I'm back. And today, very quickly, I'm going to share with you something really good, and I'm going to share with you God's word. It has been laid upon my spirit to share it with you, and now we are going to go straight to it. This word of the Lord is in Ezekiel 37 verses 11 to 12, and this is what it says. And he went on to say to me, Son of man, as regards these bones, they are the whole house of Israel. Here they are saying, Our bones have become dry, and our hope has perished. We have been severed off to ourselves. And verses 12 says, Therefore prophesy, and you must say to them, This is what the sovereign Lord Jehovah has said. Here I am opening your burial places, and I will bring you out of your burial places, all my people, and bring you in upon the soil of Israel. So this word has been laid upon my spirit to share it with. If you are out there and this is really coming to your heart, this is for you. Because you might be there and feeling hopeless. You have lost all hope. You feel like you have been caged in a box, like the whole world feels like a box to you, and you don't see any way out. This is the word for you. Jesus is telling you that he's going to open up your burial place and bring you out of every burial that the devil has caged you into. So this is your time now to come out with God's word. You need to hold fast the word of the Lord. You need to tie yourself and tie your heart onto it so you can come out of that burial place that you are in right now. Remember, we are in the 40 days of the post-resurrection of Jesus Christ. We have just celebrated Easter. Easter was not all about eating and drinking. So this is the time now to encounter God's power, to come out of that situation you are in. This is your time to cry out to God, because God is here to hear the cry of your heart, to answer the cry of your heart. So this is now your time. Now, if we look at Matthew 27 verses 52 to 53, see what it says. And the memorial tombs were opened, and many bodies of the holy ones that had fallen asleep were raised up. So this is what Jesus is telling you. Jesus is here to raise you up in these 40 days of the post-resurrection. We have until 15th of May for you to come out of that situation. My sister, my brother, you need to come out of that burial place the devil has caged you into. You don't need to lose hope now. You don't need to feel hopeless. You don't need to feel like a dead person already. We have a guy around here that killed himself. He just strangled himself just because of a date. This is not for you. You still have a lot of time ahead of you. You still have many beautiful things you need to see, you need to behold, you need to, experience. So this is your time. Jesus is telling you that there is still hope for you. You need to come out of that burial place. And Jesus does not lie. God does not lie. His word is fixed in heaven already. He's here to perform it in our lives. You need to live by the power of the word. You need to live by the promises of God. So in every situation you are going through, at this time, at this hour you're watching this video, God is telling you, do not give up, and there is still hope. You need to hope in God. You need to pull all your faith. This is time to take responsibility. Remember, everyone is responsible for the outcome of his life. So now you need to be responsible enough to build your faith and have faith in God, and you will see yourself. Be positive, be optimistic, and you are going to see yourself come out of that grave the devil has buried you. He has promised in his word, Ezekiel 37 verses 11 to 12. Hold on to that word and tell him, Jesus, bring me out of this grave of stagnation. Bring me out of the grave of failure, and you will see yourself come out, because he's so faithful to fail. He's too faithful to fail. Jesus is not going to leave you alone. We are in a world where it is burning like an oven. In every east, south, and west, there is no place that is good for man now. We are supposed to take our refuge in Jesus Christ, in God. And he's here. He has promised he will never leave us until to the close of the age. So please, my sister, my brother, I am here to waken you up. I am here to encourage you. I am here to deliver God's word to you. He's saying to you that he's able to bring you out of that cage, to bring you out of that grave the devil has kept you. If this video has been good to you, if it has touched your life, please make sure you like it and also share it so it can reach many other people that need encouragement, that need to revive their faith in God. Please press the notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. I'm going to be sharing with you more and more of God's word and words of encouragement, so we can, as I talk to you, I'm also talking to me. We need to walk this journey without fainting. We need to walk this journey and fulfill our destinies. We need to be that which God has called us to be. So this is why I am here. So God bless you so much for me. See you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now and press the notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. I love you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.